Hello YouTube, welcome back to first trading day of the week, and this is the update for today. This is already in front of you. As you can see, we are up by 14% by our trade setup and trade management in our trading room for single target traders. They're up by 14%. If you discuss about trailing, that is 19% up. So 2 losses and 7 profits we managed to execute in our trading room. Now if you discuss and pay attention in Bank Nifty, we have a sell call, we stopped out, but we again started a sell call, and this time we actually got it back, whatever we have given to the market this time. Now the market was actually choppy, that's why this is only 2.3, but otherwise officially we were shooting for 3.3 for every single trader, those who lost 1% here. So we tried one sell here, took us out for any reason, but we don't mind it because we know the structure is still a downside, so we executed one more sell into it. In Nifty, this is the official trade call which has been given here for single target and the trailing target, but for the person who can take the early risk, I actually told them to sell the Nifty as soon as possible in the morning hours. So I don't see any such trade of the day kind of thing, but if you pay attention, we got the biggest percentage from the JSW steel trade, which is also we took it late for some reason, but yes, we did manage to take 5% out of it. Yep, that's it. So this, you can call it a trade of the day. We were expecting this a downside of this leg, so the trade was explained and given here when the break of this structure for the single target and the trailing target. But this is not what I should be discussing here. The thing which I want to discuss here is Bank Nifty. Now when you come to the Bank Nifty structure and you go on a 30 minutes or maybe higher time frame, it doesn't matter, and you go back to one of our trading update, I think this was the day when I gave a sell call somewhere here for this target in that particular trade. And you see the market is actually came down to that level today after 10 or 15 days. So let's see what was it. I have already seen it. For those who have not seen it, this is the update I'm talking about, this 6th of June. So in this video you will see there was a trade setup which has been explained about that particular sell, which was the trailing target was somewhere here, but actually market made this and this and this and this and this, but not a problem. If it come directly, good for us, we booked the target over there, but it make this huge picture, so we actually sometimes we buy it, sometimes we sell it, sometimes we buy it, sometimes we sell it. So that kind of picture is going on. But the thing which I'm trying to say, when we sold the market somewhere here for this kind of a structure, there's a 90% chance to complete and tag this bottom. Now it can do this directly, or it can do make a corrective structure and do that, but either way you know which way to trade. If this thing comes directly, we were in that time. Now this thing made this consolidation, we managed to trade so many buy setups and so many sell setups just like today. So this is something interesting we should be discussing on. So this is it guys, this is the trading update for today. If you guys also wants to be a part of this great community, our is the only single trading room in India which opens at 9 in the morning and goes up to 3 at afternoon till the market close. You will not find this kind of trading room anywhere else in India. So if you want to join this, head over to the website, all details are available over there, and I'll see you in another update then. Until then, trade with care. Thank you so much. Bye.